Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get Discord Nitro. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to get Discord Nitro, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Discord application, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on your new icon on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the option that says Get Nitro right here. Now once you tap on it, here what you need to do is choose between the available plans like Nitro Classic, Nitro Basic, and what you need to do now is select the plan that is preferable for you. Nitro includes cheaper animated emojis, custom tags, and higher upload limits, and Nitro Basic is the full version with additional perks like server boost, higher quality streaming, and bigger file uploads. Now what you need to do is select the billing cycle for monthly or yearly subscription and add your credit card or PayPal or other payment methods, and lastly simply complete the payment process to activate the Nitro. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.